Can you guess this sound? Dog. Great job! He is man's best friend. That means he wags his tail and guards your family with love. Which sound is this? Cat! You are right! She lives in our homes as a pet. That means she loves to purr when you pet her and is very clean. Which animal is this? Lion! Well done! He lives in the sunny savanna. That means he is the king of the jungle and protects his pride. What sound you hear? Cow! Perfect! She lives on the green farm. That means she lives in a herd and provides fresh milk for us. Can you guess this sound? Duck! You found him! She lives on the peaceful pond. That means she swims in a line with her little ducklings. Can you guess this sound? Pig! Great job! He is a very smart animal. That means he loves to roll in the mud to keep his skin cool. Which sound is this? Sheep! You are right! She lives on the grassy hills. That means she lives in a flock and gives us soft wool. Which animal is this? Horse! Well done! He stays in a farm stable. That means he is a fast runner and loves to gallop in the fields. What sound you hear? Donkey! Perfect! He lives on the farm. That means he is very hardworking and can carry heavy loads. Can you guess this sound? Rooster! You found him! He lives in the farmyard. That means he wakes up early and calls out to start the day. Can you guess this sound? Hen! Great job! She lives in the coop. That means she wakes up early and lays fresh eggs for your breakfast. Which sound is this? Elephant! You're right! He lives in the savanna. That means he is the largest land animal and has a very long trunk. Which animal is this? Monkey! Well done! He lives high in the jungle trees. That means he is very playful and swings from branch to branch. What sound you hear? Snake. Perfect! He lives in the grass and rocks. That means he slithers on his belly because he has no legs. Can you guess this sound? Bee! You found him! He stays in a cozy beehive. That means he flies to flowers to make sweet honey. Can you guess this sound? Frog! Great job! He is a great jumper. That means he lives near the pond and catches flies with his tongue. What sound is this? Wolf! You're right! He lives in the cold mountains. That means he lives in a pack and howls to talk to his family. Which animal is this? Owl! Well done! He is the silent watcher of the night. That means he stays awake while we sleep to hunt. What sound you hear? Mouse! Perfect! He lives in a tiny hole in the wall. That means he is very small and loves to nibble on cheese. Can you guess this sound? Bear! You found him! He lives in the big, dark forest. That means he loves to eat sweet honey and sleep all winter. Can you guess this sound? Crow! Great job! He is a very smart black bird. That means he lives in the trees and likes to collect shiny things. Which sound is this? Bird. You are right! He lives in a nest high in the trees. That means he uses his wings to fly and sings a happy song. Which animal is this? Crocodile. Well done! He lives in the muddy river. That means he stays very still in the water to wait for his food. What sound you hear? Goat! Perfect! He stays on the Rocky Mountains. That means he is a brave climber and loves to eat green grass. Can you guess this sound? Whale! You found him! He lives in the cold sea. That means he is the biggest animal and breathes through a blowhole. Can you guess this sound? Tiger! Great job! He lives in the thick jungle. That means he has beautiful stripes to hide in the tall grass. Which sound is this? Dolphin! You are right! He lives in the warm ocean. That means he is very smart and loves to play and jump in the waves. Which animal is this? Rabbit! Well done! He lives in a burrow underground. That means he has long ears and loves to eat crunchy carrots. What sound you hear? Pigeon! Perfect! She lives in the city and parks. That means she flies in the sky and eats seeds from the ground. Which animal is this? Squirrel! Well done! He lives in the park trees. That means he is very fast and loves to hide nuts for the winter. Can you guess this sound? Hyena! Great job! He lives in the African plains. That means he makes a sound like laughing when he talks to his friends. Which sound is this? Bat. You are right. He lives in dark caves. That means he is the only mammal that flies and sleeps hanging upside down. Can you guess this sound? Polar bear. Great job. He lives in the cold white snow. That means he has thick white fur to stay warm and is a very strong swimmer. What sound you hear? Parrot. Perfect. He lives in the tropical jungle. That means he has colorful feathers and can copy the words you say. Can you guess this sound? Hippo! You found him! He stays in the river water. That means he is very heavy and opens his big mouth to show his teeth. Can you guess this sound? Chimpanzee! Great job! He is our clever cousin in the jungle. That means he uses tools to find food and lives in a big family. Which sound is this? Goose! You are right! He lives near the lake. That means he flies in a big V shape with all of his family in the sky. Which animal is this? Woodpecker. Well done. He lives in the tall trees. That means he uses his strong beak to tap on wood and find yummy bugs to eat. What sound you hear? Turkey. Perfect. He lives on the farm. That means he has a red wattle on his neck and fans out his tail feathers. Can you guess this sound? Cheetah! You found him! He lives in the open plains. That means he is the fastest runner and has spots all over his body. Which sound is this? Mosquito. You are right. He flies in the air during the summer. That means he is very small and has thin wings that make a high sound when he flies. Which sound is this? Eagle. You are right. He lives on high mountaintops. That means he has very sharp eyes and flies high in the sky. Which animal is this? Fox! Well done! He lives in a den in the forest. That means he is very clever and has a big, bushy red tail. Can you guess this sound? Swan! Great job! She lives on the calm lake water. That means she has beautiful white feathers and a long neck to reach for food underwater. Can you guess this sound? Coyote! You found him! He lives in the desert and woods. That means he looks like a small dog and sings to the moon at night. Can you guess this sound? Guinea pig! Great job! He is a very small and cute pet. That means he makes a loud whistling sound when he is hungry for carrots. Which sound is this? Hamster! You are right! He lives in a small burrow. That means he loves to run on a wheel and store food in his puffy cheeks. Which animal is this? Chick! Well done! He is a baby chicken. That means he is soft and yellow and follows his mother everywhere. What sound you hear? Gorilla. Perfect. He lives in the thick mountain forests. That means he is a strong leader and lives in a big family group. Can you guess this sound? Fly! You found him! He lives in the garden and near our homes. That means he has 2 wings and can walk upside down on the ceiling.